Welcome to this problem solving session on one group disconnections of different classes of compounds. I am Mrs. Gomati Sridhar from the V.K. Krishna Menon College. Let us now analyze this alkyl bromine. Pause the video. You can continue when you have completed the disconnection. The obvious way to make a alkyl bromine is an functional group interconversion to an alcohol. This can be made by the Grignard route. Unfortunately, this route gives very poor yield because in the Grignard reagent, the benzyl Grignard reagents easily give radicals which polymerize. In any case, it is poor tactics to chop off carbon atoms one at a time. Thus, a better disconnection would be at the bond adjacent to the aromatic ring. It gives this synthon A. What will be the reagent? If you have gone through the materials properly, then you know that it is the epoxide, and this epoxide reacts with the Grignard reagent to give an intermediate which on hydrolysis gives the target molecule. What is this odd looking molecule? This is an acetal, and this molecule was used by Corey as an intermediate in the synthesis of maytansine, which is an anti-tumor compound. Acetals are derived from alcohols and carbonyl compounds. Pause the video, see if you can recognize the disconnection and continue after you have written the disconnection. Obviously, this acetal is from the corresponding diol. This diol must have a cis double bond. So, we can think of the synthesis from acetylene once again. Treatment of the acetylene with base followed by reaction with formaldehyde yields the acetylenic diol. This process needs to be done twice. This acetylenic alcohol on reduction using Lindlar's catalyst gives a cis-ene diol, which is converted to the target molecule by treatment with acetone. This is an olefin. The best method to synthesize an olefin is dehydration of the alcohol. Now, the OH group can be located at the two carbon atoms of the double bond. Thus, always two possibilities exist. Pause the video, write both the routes, decide which starting material is better and why, and you can continue after you have completed this exercise. So, for this target molecule, you can have two possible alcohols. This is one where the OH group is on the same carbon as the phenyl group, and this on disconnection gives cyclohexanone and phenyl magnesium bromide. The other possibility is the alcohol where the OH group is on the adjacent carbon, and this must undergo dehydration. This alcohol B can also give the molecule C, which is not the same as the target molecule. Thus, it is the first disconnection that will be useful and not the second one. This example is another illustration of the same principle. Pause the video, write both the possible routes and decide which starting material is better and why. You can continue after you have completed this exercise. So, one of the possible alcohol is A, which on dehydration can give the target molecule as well as another alkene C. The other possible starting material is the alcohol B, which will give only the target molecule and not D, because this is the least substituted alkene. Now, finish off the analysis and write down the synthesis. So, the synthesis now is as follows. The target alkene can be synthesized from the alcohol B. The alcohol B is a tertiary alcohol which has two groups identical. Therefore, as studied before, disconnection will give acetone and the corresponding Grignard reagent. The Grignard reagent in the synthesis is treated with acetone to give the tertiary alcohol. which on dehydration gives the target alkene. An alternative route to the formation of an olefin is by the immediate disconnection of the double bond. This corresponds to the Wittig reaction. Pause the video, write the synthons and the complete synthesis. You can continue when you have done. The disconnection will lead the ketone and the Wittig reagent. Write down the complete synthesis using the Wittig reaction. The advantages of this route are that it is very short and that the double bond goes where required. This is an aryl ketone. Here, it is a good idea to disconnect the bond joining an aromatic ring to the aliphatic side chain. Pause the video, write the synthons and the complete synthesis. Continue after you have completed this exercise. So, we would make this target molecule by the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So, this target molecule can be disconnected to methoxybenzene and acetyl chloride. Write the complete Friedel-Crafts reaction. Write the complete synthesis. This is another aryl ketone. Both the rings are aromatic in nature. So, we could disconnect on both sides of the ketone. The choice between two disconnections of this sort can be made by the criterion of a good mechanism. Pause the video and write both the routes. Decide which starting material is better and why. Continue after you have completed this exercise. Both the disconnections are shown. Pause the video at this point and decide which is better. Disconnection B will not do because the nitro group is meta-directing. In any case, nitrobenzene will not react under the Friedel-Crafts reaction condition. Disconnection A is good and the methoxyl group is more powerfully ortho-directing than the methyl group. Therefore, the substituent will go ortho to the methoxyl group as required in the target molecule. Now, let us look at the carboxylic acid. Which bond will you disconnect? Pause the video, write the synthons and the complete synthesis and continue after you have completed. So, the bond that can be disconnected is the alpha beta bond to the carboxylic acid. This is one possible disconnection. The CH2COOH fragment can be obtained by using malonic ester. The alkyl bromide can be obtained from the corresponding alcohol, which in turn can be obtained from the corresponding ester. So, in the synthesis, the ester is first reduced to the alcohol, which is further converted to the bromide. The bromide is treated with malonic ester in presence of a strong base to give this intermediate, which undergoes hydrolysis and decarboxylation to give the required target molecule. Now, let us look at acid derivatives. The acid halides are the most reactive and they can be converted into anhydrides, esters and amides. All of these derivatives can be hydrolyzed to the acids. The acid can be converted to the acid chloride by using thionyl chloride or PCl5. Please go through this slide carefully because it will help you make decisions about disconnections of acid derivatives. This is an acid amide. When you do a functional group interconversion, it will go to the carboxylic acid and the amine. Pause the video, write the synthons in the complete synthesis and continue after you have completed the exercise. So, you get the carboxylic acid and piperidine. The disconnection of the acid, which is branched at the alpha carbon, leads to a Grignard reagent and carbon dioxide. This can be obtained from the corresponding secondary alcohol via the bromide, and the secondary alcohol can be synthesized from acetaldehyde and N-propyl magnesium bromide. Please go through the synthesis and compare your work. Whenever you write synthesis, always write complete steps showing all reagents on the arrow. The steps in this synthesis are: the bromide is converted to the Grignard reagent, which is further converted to the secondary alcohol. The secondary alcohol is converted to chloride, Grignard reagent, and then acid. The acid is converted to acid halide, which reacts with the piperidine to form the target amide. Lastly, let us look at the disconnection of an ester. This FGI is pretty straightforward. Pause the video, write down the disconnection, and continue after you have completed the exercise. The functional group interconversion of the ester leads to the alcohol. The alcohol, being secondary, disconnects to 2 moles of Grignard reagent and the formate ester. The synthesis is shown as per these disconnections. So, the bromide is converted to the Grignard and 2 moles of the Grignard reacts with the formate ester to form the secondary alcohol, which on treatment with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine gives the target ester. So, in this module, we have seen the disconnections and synthesis of the following classes of compounds: alkyl bromides, acetals, olefins, aryl ketones, acid, and acid derivatives like amides and esters. In the next module, we will look at two group disconnections. Thank you very much for your attention.